Thank you for joining me today. And in this video, I'm going to go over the requirements of this course and the software you need to install and what we're going to learn. Okay, so the requirements are you just need to be willing to learn and open to exploring and learning new things. If that's you, this is the perfect course for you. Software-wise, you're going to need to install Sublime Text, which is a text editor, which we're going to use to code our web pages and style our web pages. You're also going to need to install MAMP, which is a local Apache server that is offline, and you'll use that as a production server to upload files to your local machine and test them so you can debug and do what you need to do. In section 2, we're going to learn HTML. So we're going to learn basic tags. I'm going to give you a lot of resources. So if you have questions, you can research it or you can send me a question. In section 3, we're going to go over CSS. So we're going to style the elements that we build in section 2. In section 4, we're going to build a 5-page website. We're going to build it from scratch. We'll build it, then we'll style it. And then in section 5, we're going to convert that 5-page website into a Bootstrap website. And Bootstrap basically is like a boilerplate template that gives you basic functionality so you can hit the ground running and you can focus more on the content more so than the layout. But it also gives you the ability to customize the layout any way that you see fit, and you can build extremely quick websites using Bootstrap. So I'm excited about that. And then in the final section, I'm going to tell you what's next and give you kind of an overview of what you can do after you complete this course. So I look forward to sharing all this information with you. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text 3. So let's click on our taskbar here. Click on the Google Chrome icon. I'm going to go up to the address bar. I'm going to type in download Sublime Text 3 and hit enter. And then I'm going to click download Sublime Text at the top of the page there, and then we're going to click on Windows 64-bit. It's going to download the executable right here. We're going to double click. If it pops up a window asking for permission, hit yes, and then you will get the Welcome to Sublime Text 3 setup wizard. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through each step here. So I'm going to click next. It's going to select a destination to save your files. It's going to be in the C drive, program files, Sublime Text. That's fine. We'll hit next. For me, it's going to give me a pop-up because I had this installed before. So I'm going to click yes to replace it. Select additional tasks. We're going to leave that blank and click next. And then it's going to show you where it's going to install. So let's click install. And there you go. So now we have Sublime Text 3 set up, and I want you to click finish here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the start button. And at the top here, it has Sublime Text 3. So we're going to click there, and we're going to open it up so we can just take a look at it. And that's it. So this is Sublime Text 3 right here. So it has quite a few features. So this is Sublime Text. It has quite a bit so this is Sublime Text. It has quite a bit of features in it. And so in the next video, we're going to install MAMP. I will see you there. Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MAMP. So let's go to Google Chrome. I'm going to go to the address bar. We're going to click in the address bar, and we're going to type in download MAMP and hit enter. We're going to click on MAMP and MAMP Pro downloads. We're going to click on Windows, and then we're going to click download. All right, now my page here says 1 minute left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I will return once it's done downloading. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. Welcome back. So MAMP is done downloading. And now I'm going to click on the executable. I'm going to double click on it. And if you get a pop-up window asking for permission, click yes. And then you're going to get another pop-up with this. Select setup language. So we're going to pick English. It's going to ask if you want to install MAMP Pro with an addition to MAMP. You can install Apple Bonjour. That's fine too. I'm going to click next. I'm going to accept the agreement and click next. It's going to show you where it's going to save. So it's going to save the MAMP folder in the C drive. We'll click next. I already have it installed, so it's going to overwrite what I had before. I'm going to click yes. Select startup menu folder. Yeah, MAMP is fine. We'll click next. And do I want to create a desktop icon? Yes, I do, so I'm going to click next. And we'll click install. So this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video again, and when it's just about to the end, I'll come back. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. So it's just about done installing now. And there we go. So setup has been complete. So let's click finish. And in the next video, we're going to get started on learning HTML. So I'll see you there.